So now on to step 6, which is creating art and kind of the next step in creating the asset. My suggestion for this is just don't be a graphic designer, and that's speaking as someone who is a graphic designer. I'll explain that a little bit more in just a second, but I want to jump into a frequently asked question that we get here. What is good art? So good art, in my opinion, is whatever the customers are buying. Good in the art world is such a hard to define word, but for Amazon specifically, what we're trying to do is sell our designs. So I would say good art is, again, whatever the customers are buying. However, there are still things that I've found over the years of selling print on demand that work best for Amazon customers. And so I call this kind of my design theory. It's a pretty simple theory, and it's just to keep things bold, clean, and simple. We found the most success when we keep our designs bold, clean, and simple. To show some examples, I've pulled these 3 shirts, and I just love that these are simple shirts, then they are selling very well and have high reviews. So if we look at this first one, I paused my game to be here. This is simply just a text-based design. But if you look at the reviews, they have over 400 5-star reviews, which is just absolutely nuts for any type of apparel. So clearly these types of designs are working. But what I mostly have success with is kind of this next shirt that we see here, which is "This is not a drill," which is some type of funny saying or saying on the shirt along with a type of design. That design does not have to be crazy. Again, keeping things bold, clean, and simple. You can see the hammer on there. It's pretty straightforward. It's just one color. It's not like a super high quality hand-drawn thing, but still this shirt has over 100 reviews and is selling for a fairly good price. And now this last one is kind of more of a joke. At a lot of these live presentations, I get people saying they can't even draw a stick figure, but I love this shirt because someone literally just drew a stick figure and put it on the shirt, having some type of graphical element and a funny saying. And if you look at reviews, once again, you can see over 100 reviews and selling for a great price.